Hello friends, this is Abdul Rehman. I hope you guys are doing well. Okay, and today is 12th of May and today I'm going to present you how to trade the morning stars and evening stars with respect to the VSA indicator and Confuences. Okay, I'll proceed with what is morning star and evening star, because until unless you'll know what it is, you won't be able to make your moves. Okay, let me proceed. Okay, what is the morning star? Morning star is a candlestick formation. Okay, it's basically a pattern. All you need in that is at least two bearish candles. That is what I have set in the indicator. At least two bearish candles and then a small doji type, and then you must have a candle that is bullish that closes above the 50% of the first candle. Okay, in most of the cases you can omit the doji as well. Okay, and if you come into an evening star, what do you need? You need two bullish candles at least, and then a doji, and then a bearish candle that closes below the 50% or half of the first candle. You can omit this doji as well. You can omit these dojis as well, but all you need in this type of formation is that your volume must be low. Okay, because if you're having higher volumes, then it means in this over here there is more supply remaining, and over here there is more demand remaining, and that's what we don't want if you want to go for reversal, because this is a reversal pattern. Okay, it changes the trend. So this is the most important thing you must know, you must keep in your mind, that the volume must be low. Okay, what my indicator does, it looks for these patterns, but it will not let you know that is the volume low or high. You have to look it for yourself. Okay, now let's proceed. I hope you guys have memorized it, and now let's move towards this. Okay, what is this? What is this? This is VSAindicator. I am the author of this indicator. I have developed this, and this is for you guys. Okay, how do we find the morning and evening star candles on that? All you need to do is download this indicator from VSAindicator.com, and you'll have to fill your information like your email address to get further updates, and your MT4 account number. Okay, and so MT4 account number, so I will allow access to that account. Okay, and your file will work, and then a downloadable file, an exe file, executable file will be given to you guys. It will be downloaded automatically, and once you will click it, you have to click next, just like a regular installation. Select your broker, and then once you have done it, select the finish button, and you have done. Okay, then you can come here and right click and go to the templates, VSAindicator, and then you will get this type of stuff. Okay, this was a small view of that. Okay, now what do we do? Once I click this morning star and evening star, what do I get? Once I click this button, this one, morning star and evening star, what do I get? I get this dashboard, and this one. Okay, on the chart. Now first of all, I explain what is on the chart. Look at this. Do you see these two bullish candles? These two bullish candles followed by a bearish one, a long bearish one. Now if you just look to these two candles, this green one and this red one, this may be considerable as a bearish engulfing, but if you go one candle back, then you will come to know this is an evening star. Okay, it follows the rule. Same thing over here, the market goes up, two bullish candles, and then we have got a bearish candle that closes below, or have touched below, at least touched below the 50% of the first candle. Okay, if I click this VSAC, volume spread analysis candles, and then I come to know this was a climax candle. Okay, climax candle, and then I have got this thrust. Okay, and then the market fall downwards. This is in confluence with the VSA candles as well. And then this one, two bullish and one bearish. Okay, boom, two bullish, bearish, two bullish, bearish, two bullish, bearish. I'll just use this pen so you guys can see this one. Okay, and this one over here, this one over here, this one, two bullish, two bearish, two bullish and one bearish. Okay, two bullish and one bearish. This is how we can find it. Okay, so now this was the thing that was on the chart. Okay, this was on the chart. What do we have in scanner? Why is this indicator so much of accurate, and why it's so much of demanding? It's demanding because of its interface and highly appreciable support like me, from a guy like me. And thirdly, the scanner. Now what this scanner does, it has three columns. One is for the M5, second one is for H1, and the third one is for the H4. Okay, what does they do? Okay, what do they do? I have selected three time frames. Number one, M5 is for the binary option traders. They can use same strategy for the binary options. That is what I'll explain at the end of this class or webinar. For now, it is H1 and H4 that is most pleasing for me. I love these two time frames. Why? H1 is for the day trading and H4 is for the swing trading. That is why I look for these two. Okay, and the red one means the market has gone downwards, and this is a bearish, or you can say an evening star, and the green one means that is a morning star. Okay, this is what you can find automatically. The indicator does it for you. Now the question arises, if you're not willing to go for the H1, H4, or you need any other time frame, then what do? Don't need to worry. Just come here, indicator list, and we will go for the version 3. Remember, my indicator that is in the version 13 and above has this function. Okay, I'll come here and I'll come downwards. Where is morning star and evening star written? 1 second. This one over here. See, over here. These are 3 time frames: period 1, period 2, and period 3. The period 1 is for 5 minutes. You can just change it into any one you want. Okay, and period H1 is for this one, second one, and this one. You can just change it to any period you want, and the indicator will bring the same thing over here. Okay, this was how you could have done the scanner. Okay, now the question arises, do you want to see this part or not? Okay, if you totally don't want this function, you can just switch off this button and everything is gone. Okay, but if you want to have the scanner on, okay, but you don't want to see the scanner right now, all you need to do is minimize this. So now in the back screen, all of the functions and all the algorithms are working. Okay, if I want to see them, I can just bring it over here and I'm done with it. Okay, now the last question and the most important that brought you guys over here is what and how do we trade it? Okay, I have so much of experience and so many years of experience in brokerages. I have been in Zara Commodities, I have been in Hot Forex, now I'm in Extreme Forex, I have been in AV Jewelries, and I have been in many firms I don't even remember quite well. Okay, I have been enrolled in many FX programs. I have been teaching many places in like Workwise and so many places. I have more than 1,000 students over here. What's the most important thing that I have learned in all of my this career? Sorry guys, I'm back. I had my wife screaming at me. Okay, what do we have now? How to trade this? Okay, first of all, I like to see where my trend is going. I don't like to trade the reversals unless I have very good confirmation by the VSA. Okay, now I'll show you Confuence. How do we trade the Confuence and how do we bring this into a good trade? Separately or singularly or just one-sided, I won't trade this. I need this in at least 2 Confuences or 2 confirmations. Only then I'll place my entry. Okay, first of all, I'll look for what my trend is saying me. Is my trend saying me or giving me the same direction? For that, I will use a fast and slow moving average, and fast and slow moving average that I use is 21 and 55 exponential moving averages. All my indicator does it like codes it into green and red color, and right now it's coming downwards. Okay, I am in a good selling position. 1 second. Okay, I am in a good selling position over here. Okay, it's fine for me. Okay, for this I'll go in an advanced version, my proprietary formula, that is main trend. It contains 12 buffers. What do I get? It's already down from this place. It has gone and tested or retested this place over here, and then I've got a same evening star formation over here at the close of this candle, and then I can assume, okay, now I will go downwards. Okay, something over here. And the third thing was that, do I have any other confirmation by the pivots, any break of pivots or break of structure or Fibonacci or blah blah blah? Do I have? Okay, this was a resistance of year 1. Keep in mind guys, always follow your higher resistances and higher time frame supports and pivot levels. Okay, every one of you guys are using daily time frame or daily pivot levels and weekly pivot levels and monthly pivot levels, but we are bound to MT4. Okay, most of you guys don't even know about the quarterly pivots and yearly pivots, and that is what this indicator is mainly functional for. When you click this P5 pivot 5, you get your yearly pivots. Okay, now see, I can see this is the middle of resistance 1, year 1. Okay, and then I'll see do I have, this was the middle of resistance 1, quarter 1. Okay, so market just when it came over here, it stalled upwards and then it moved downwards. Okay, this was what I can do. Okay, the second thing is I'm in an H4. I'll see for my favorite 5 candles. What do I have? I have something. Do I have something or not? Let me see over here. Okay, what do I have? If I draw my trend line from here, this till here, and what do I have? I have a break of this evening star candle with a trend line towards downwards, a trend line breakout, and then boom towards the down. Okay, so this is something how we can do this, how we can come into Confluence. The major thing is Confluence. The third thing is that the very important thing one is that do I have any of like what do we call that, VSA candles? Do I have any VSA candle Confluence in that, like this one? Okay, like this one. See, this was you can call this like climax or effort. Okay, you can call this effort or climax, whatsoever you call it. It is giving the same information that the market is going to go down. That is what you all of us agree upon. Okay, so once we have this candle and then we have got this, that means we have 2 Confluences. The market may go downwards. So this is something that I can take. Okay, fine, good for me. Same thing over here, same thing over here. Okay, so these are the things that we can take ourselves into good consideration and trade it. The second one is, I hope you have understood this. The second example I'll give you, like let me take any pair, like let's move toward this one. I have been providing my detailed analysis for this pair from the last 10 days. Okay, as I'm analyst at Extreme Forex right now, you can look at my daily analysis over there. It's totally free of cost. Extreme Forex is doing everything for you guys. Okay, see, now look at this. This pair has been stalling. Where is my mouse? Okay, this player has been going up and up and up and up and up. It has been breaking all of the supports and resistances. It has been making higher highs, high lows, higher highs and high lows, up and up and up. And then what happened? We have broken the chain of higher highs and high lows. Okay, now what we can see over here is, do we have anything or any Confluence that tells us the market is going to go down? Look at this pattern. It's so accurate pattern that all of this zone or resistance or distribution, we didn't get a single buy signal. Okay, we didn't get a single buy signal. I mean, this was okay, this was okay, this was okay, and this was okay. Okay, and even this was okay. Okay, this is all thing. Now how will I take this? I'll draw my main trend one. Okay, down, my trend is telling me to go downwards, and from the downwards I have got these 2 things. Fine, now let me see any break of structure. Do I get any break of structure? See this going upwards and this going downwards. Now you see evening star, break of trend lines, downwards. Now let me see, do I have any Motherbar inside bar formation? Yes, I do have. This is the high of the Motherbar high. This is the low of the Motherbar. The low of the Motherbar has been broken, then tested again, and then we have got this formation. We have got this formation. See, that is how we can make easiest analysis of ourselves, and we can make pips. Thirdly, at the last, I'll see, do I have any yearly confirmation? Yes, this market was in the range of yearly resistance. This was a resistance 1 of the year. That's why it was so strong the market couldn't break it up. Okay. And then I have got the quarter one, and this level falls for the quarter as well. So you can see this zone of 11 pips was so strong. Okay, and it turned the market towards the downside. This is how we can like come for that. And now I'll show you something that is currently in the market right now. Come over here in the New Zealand JPY over here. This is the last one I'm going to show you guys, and then I'll move towards the binary options. Okay. One second. One second. Where is? Okay. Okay, guys. Can you see this? This one, this formation over here. This, and then this, and then this, and then this. All good? Okay. All good. Okay, now I'll see what is my trend telling me. My trend is already in the downside. Okay, do I have any Motherbar inside bar formations? Yes, I had Motherbar inside bar formation. The market has broken downwards, and then market has gone up. It has tested this level, and then I got an evening star formed over here. Okay, and if I look for my Fibonacci's, and then I can see from here to here. How did I select these levels A and B? I can see it because I'm the developer of this indicator, but if you guys want to see, you can draw a P5 2 candles from here till here, and then this was exactly the 50 level. So you got 4 confirmations. Okay, and then see, this was the level of Motherbar inside bar. It has broken downwards, almost a test down. This is a new Motherbar inside bar form. Obviously, if the market breaks upwards, then you will have a bullish or a morning star formation. You can enter. So this is how we can come into a Motherbar inside bar formation in confluence with VSA, in confluence with your trend, in confluence with your pivot candles, in confluence with your what is that called, monthly, yearly, quarterly pivots. Okay, and the best of that, what I like is momentum formations. That is this one. Perfect signals for scalpers, best for them. Okay, this was for that. This was for the forex traders, and now let me move towards this one, binary options. And there is something really important I want to show you guys regarding the binary options. For that, we will go in. I'll just go to CAD, USD CAD in the M5. Okay guys, I'll just tell you one thing for coming into this type of thing, like for binary options. Whenever you place your call or whenever you place your put, keep this one thing in mind, that you must multiply by 6. Okay, if you're using M1, you multiply your M1 with 6. That is your expiry time. If you're using that will be 6 minutes. If you're using 5 minutes, that is preferable. If you're using 5 minutes, multiply 5 with 6, that is 30. That means your expiry time must be 30 minutes. This is the best formula that most of the options trader use, and really, trust me, it's very worthy. Okay, now let's see over here. This is something. I'll just mark it. This one. This is a formation. This is an M5 5-minute chart. This is the formation. 2 bearish candles and this one, and the market has obviously gone up, but we are trading binary options. So what I said, if I would have placed my expiry at the next 5 minutes, I would have already lost this, but I have placed it on 30 minutes, because 5 into 6, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Clear? A winner. And then this one, look at this one. Okay, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Second winner. And then third one is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30 over here. Third winner. And this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Sorry, this one 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 over here. This is the fourth winner. Okay, and let's see what do we have over here. This one 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Clear? This is how you'll be doing. And after 5 winners, we have got a loser. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is a loser. Okay guys, this is something that how we can trade or how we can do binary options, and just randomly clicking summon any of that. This is pound USD. Okay, pound USD, and now look at this. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, this was like, you can say like a draw. Okay, and this one is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, a winner. This is something like, this is a loser. Okay, now there are two things. If you want to follow your trend, okay, then you can just do this, click your MT1, and then you can only take the sellers because you are in red. And if you are here, you may only take the buyers because you are in a buy zone. Okay, so this is something that you can take it. Okay guys, this was for your this was for the forex and binary options. I hope you guys have loved this. Look at this, easiest and clear-cut formations. Like, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you're done. Okay, from here you're done. Easiest way to trade everything. Okay, thank you guys. If you want this indicator, you can download it from VSAindicator.com and just fill in the short form and you will get it. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.